Imagine a world where software engineering tasks are effortlessly tackled by an AI-driven engineer. On March 12, 2024, Cognition Labs unveiled Devin, the first AI software engineer, promising to revolutionize the industry. Join us as we explore Devin AI's capabilities, potential, and limitations, offering insight into the future of AI in software engineering. Devin AI is an advanced artificial intelligence software engineer developed by Cognition AI, representing a significant advancement in AI technology. Equipped with its own shell code editor and web browser, Devin autonomously solves engineering tasks typically handled by human engineers. This groundbreaking announcement marks a significant milestone in the evolution of AI technology and its application in software development. Notably, Devin operates independently, capable of comprehending and executing instructions without constant human supervision. Its autonomy allows it to function as a virtual software engineer, completing tasks ranging from problem-solving to code generation with remarkable efficiency. Devin's performance, including its impressive resolution rate of 13.86% on real-world projects, highlights its superior problem-solving abilities and potential to streamline software development workflows. One of Devin's distinguishing features is its utilization of its own integrated development environment, IDE, complete with a command line interface and code editor. This self-contained setup enhances Devin's autonomy and productivity, enabling seamless interaction with codebases and web resources without relying on external software or environments. Devin's ability to access and learn from API documentation further enhances its versatility, allowing it to integrate external services and libraries into its workflows with ease. Additionally, its debugging functionality through console output analysis ensures smooth execution of tasks by pinpointing and resolving issues within the codebase efficiently. While Devin showcases significant advancements in AI for software engineering tasks, concerns arise regarding its access to sensitive data and potential security vulnerabilities. Addressing these concerns and implementing robust security measures are crucial steps in ensuring the safe and ethical deployment of AI-driven software engineering solutions like Devin. In conclusion, Devin's introduction marks a significant advancement in the field of AI-driven software engineering, offering insights into the potential of AI to revolutionize software development workflows. While its capabilities are impressive, further development and adaptation are needed to address challenges and fully realize Devin's potential in diverse software engineering contexts.